Welcome to D&B Fabrication Plus Incorporated. Quality without the high costs. At our company, we have a clear mission: to assist companies in enhancing their product portfolios. In today's ever-changing market, we know that staying competitive demands forward-thinking strategies. What sets us apart from the competition? We're dedicated to elevating quality and fostering innovation. For example, we understand that quality improvement often starts with material and manufacturing process enhancements. For instance, consider a component produced in aluminum through dies casting. We believe it could benefit from a transition to stainless steel. This transition would involve using the investment casting process. We offer comprehensive manufacturing solutions, serving as your one-stop destination for all your production requirements. Leveraging our in-house capabilities and a well-established network of trusted suppliers, we can fulfill all your manufacturing needs. But here's what truly matters to us: our steadfast belief that quality and exceptional customer service form the bedrock of success. We understand that trust and respect are earned when a supplier actively contributes to helping customers achieve their objectives. Our rigorous quality control program ensures a meticulous examination of parts at every stage of the manufacturing process. From first article samples to the final inspection, our commitment is to ensure that your parts consistently align with the defined specifications. So, if you're interested in more information about our company, or have a project you'd like to get a quote for, please don't hesitate to contact us via phone or visit our website. We appreciate your time, and we look forward to being your trusted supplier.